Bending 1-inch rigid conduit is seriously no joke, and yeah, it can totally kick your ass if you're not used to it. Okay, so here's the deal. Bending that thick, rigid conduit takes some real strength and technique, not just raw muscle. First, always make sure you're using the right bender for the size-own-inch rigid needs. A heavy-duty bender, no shortcuts. When you're setting your bend, line up your marks carefully, because once you start, it's hard to fix a crooked bend. For leverage, try positioning your body so you can push down with your weight instead of just your arm standing over the bender, and using your legs helps a ton. Don't rush it either. Slow and steady gives you more control and reduces mistakes. If you're struggling in the sun, stay hydrated and take quick breaks to avoid burning out or losing grip. Also, remember to use gloves that give you a good grip but won't sacrifice feeling you want to feel the conduit but still protect your hands. Lastly, practice makes perfect. Even if you haven't bent conduit since trade school, keep at it because your muscles and technique will get better with every try. One of the biggest mistakes people make when bending 1-inch rigid conduit is not using the right bender or tool, which makes the whole job way harder and can mess up your bends. Fix this by investing in or borrowing a proper rigid conduit bender. Another common issue is rushing through the bend without marking properly or lining up the conduit, leading to crooked bends that don't fit right. Always take your time and double-check your measurements before bending. Lastly, trying to muscle through bends without using proper body mechanics or leverage can cause fatigue and blisters fast. Focus on using your legs and body weight to help push down and save your arms from overworking. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners easily find trusted local electricians and contractors who know their stuff when it comes to tough jobs like bending conduit. For contractors, it's a great way to get steady work by connecting with people who actually need your skills without all the hassle of hunting for gigs on your own.